So let's start quickly. What is the value of what you have right in your hand right now? What is the value of this business you have started? You see, a lot of people don't know what they've started. Just like my Smuro said, when the value of a thing is not known, abuse is not known. Abuse is what? Inevitable. That is it. Now look at three men. They started a value. These are three men that started Apple on 12th of April, 1976. Today, Steve Jobs, of blessed memory, his net worth today is $250 billion from what they started. The second person, Steve Wozniak, today his net worth is $185 billion. But the third person, Ronald Wayne, in fact, Ronald Wayne is even the person that drafted what? The agreement three of them signed. Ronald Wayne is the person that designed the Apple logo. But today, his net worth is what? Broke. Somebody will be asking, why? Follow me carefully. Guess what? In 2 weeks, he started Apple. He started complaining. This thing is taking a lot of my time. This thing is taking a lot of money from me. Oh, no, this thing is taking a lot of it. He was complaining and complaining and complaining. All of a sudden, he said, I want to share. In fact, I want to give out my own share of Apple. He sold off his own share of Apple. Guess what? For $800. Today, what he sold off years ago for $800 is estimated to what? $100 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, he lost. He's the person that lost one of the greatest opportunities of a lifetime. Now, let me break it down. What is the value of the business you have started? Now, listen carefully. Listen attentively. For how many of you started with one account? Listen. The potential of that one account you started, $69,990, it can pay you up to 234,000 naira daily. Daily. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not telling you what I think. I'm telling you what is already reality. I did it for me. I didn't start with one. For one profit, that potential of income you can earn from it. Then if you started with 3 profit center, which is 190, the potential for it is what? 702,000 naira daily. You can convert it in dollars for 190, 3 profit center. That's the potential. Then if you started with 7 profit center, the potential for it, 7 profit center is 330,000, 330,990. The potential, in fact, 300 precisely, it is 329,990. But we just call it 330,000 naira just to approximate it completely. The potential for that 3 profit center is what? Ladies and gentlemen, the potential is 1.63 million naira daily. Now, here it is. Most of the things we earn from this system is most of the times you are even earning 10%, 20%, 15%. We don't even get the 100%. I'm just showing you people the 100% of each account you started, which means the higher you start, the more potential you can earn from it. Now, watch this. If you started with 15 profit center of 499,990, the potential for it is 3.51 million naira daily. Imagine you are earning 10% of this in a day. Then if you started with the highest profit center, 31 profit center, the potential for it is, wow, 7.2 million naira daily. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what happened? As the business keep increasing, the companies keep increasing the number of profit center you can start. Now, here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, these are possibilities. So the higher you start with the higher package, the more income you can earn. That is it. Now, the company we are partnering with that have this product you are purchasing are this company, NatureSway, DSM, WIDA, and guess what? Empower Consumerism created the system for us to what? Withdraw our money. So everybody here, you are going to have a digital tracking center to monitor even the system. I'm going to talk more about the digital tracking center. Now, let me let you know, a lot of people have made it in this system. And guess what? Most of the time, every year, the company will run an anniversary. Ladies and gentlemen, for you to even qualify for this anniversary means you have started making a Nigerian income, 1 million naira in a month for you to be able to reach and qualify. I'm going to show you the anniversary, all of the clue of the anniversary they did. Ladies and gentlemen, you know where the event took. It is huge. It is heavy. It is awesome. Let me play it so that you can see it yourself. Anybody, as you send that text message or you call on the phone with the format, and we invited them, you will connect them. We will invite them. For anybody you connect with your phone, you that connected and we end instantly according to the product package they purchased. Let's say you connected Mr. A. At the end of the meeting, Mr. A started with the package. And guess what? You that connected Mr. A, you will earn instantly 20,000 naira. What it simply means is, if Mr. A is starting, if you connect up to 20 people that started with what? 69,990, you will earn 20,000 times 20 of them instantly. That is it. So guess what? But then those people can decide to add extra account under themselves. So which means if I start myself and add extra 69,990 under myself, what it simply means is I will end that 20,000 naira from myself. Then for the higher packages, if you now connect somebody that started with the higher packages like 499,990, ladies and gentlemen, you will earn instantly 100,000 naira. Now hear this. 499,990 means I started with 15 accounts. That is what it means. Now, on a normal package, if you calculate the amount for 15 accounts, it is supposed to be what? 1 million multiply 69,990 times 15. It is supposed to be what? 1,050,000 naira. That's 69,990 times 15. 1 million, roughly 50,000 naira. But guess what? The company say you can just use just 499,990 and start the same 15 accounts at a full stretch. Your account will come out. So which means it's a higher advantage for you. Then if you now start with the highest package, if you are starting with higher package, which is 31 profit center, the company say if you are starting it big, you can start with 999,990 instead of 2 million plus. 31 profit center is what? 69,990 times 31. 69,990 times 31 is equals to 2,169,690. But the company say with 999,990, you can actually start that 31. So it's higher package than give. But guess what? For anybody you connect that started with 999,990, you will earn instantly 150,000 naira. Hear this. If you connect somebody that started with 499,990, you will earn instantly 100,000 naira. Higher packages means higher reward. So higher package, higher reward for what? Direct connector bonus. Now, let me move on quickly. Matching bonus. That's the second way you earn income from the system. Now, follow me carefully. The matching bonus is huge. In fact, this is the one that you see, let me tell you one beautiful thing about the matching bonus. I'm going to explain this in details for everybody here listening to me. You see, if you must be free and become the best version of yourself, get to the realm where you are not praying to be blessed, but you are now a blessing to your generation. It is in the matching bonus. Matching bonus is I am no longer connecting anybody, but I keep generating income continuously. That is the matching bonus. The leverage we are talking about is not in the direct connector bonus. It is in the matching bonus, the match sales bonus. Let me explain it further. Now, follow me carefully as I explain it in pieces. Watch this. Let's say in match sales bonus, the potential is you are making unlimited 7,777,000 naira from the system as people keep purchasing in the system. That is it. People that keep purchasing in your tribe, you keep making unlimited 777,000 naira. Let me explain it further. Let's say this is you. From your phone, you wrote down 100 names of people. You connected them just like I taught you. Out of that 100 names of people, let's say Mr. A and B connected, you will earn 7,000 naira. That A and B is in your tribe. If that A and B connect with the same system, because they all have 100 names of people, they will connect what? C and D. You will earn 7,000 naira. Guess what? C and D will connect what? E and F. You will earn 7,000 naira. Watch this. C and D can equally connect another what? 2 people. You earn another 7,000 naira. A and B will equally connect another 2 people. You earn another 7,000 naira. Guess what? As people keep connecting in the tribe, guess what? Your tribe keep increasing. You will keep earning 7,000 naira. In a day, you have a potential of earning up to 36 matching bonus in a day. That's the maximum you can. And once you reach that 36, 7,000 times 36, the system, as you see it going up, it will quickly stop. That means the whole thing will be returning back again to the company. That is what matching bonus. So watch this. If I have only one profit center, and guess what? I started this. It's only that one profit center that can reach that potential. So, but if I have like 3, if I have like 7, all of them can be benefiting from the matching bonus. Each of them are running from the same people that are plugging in the system. So, which means your focus here is to what? To build your tribe. That is it. Now, let me show you. We call this 12-man lazy man scenario, where you started, let's say, in the month of January. Now, when you started, in the month of January, you connected A and B, the first 2 people. That first month, in month of January, you will earn just 7,000 naira. Remember, I'm not counting the direct connector bonus. If that A and B connect their own 2 people, in the February, you will earn 14,000 naira. Guess what? In that February, if those 4 people that connected in your tribe connect their own 2 people, in March, you will earn what? 28,000 naira. Remember, guess what? In that March, those 8 people, if they connect their own two people, in April, you will earn 56,000 naira. Guess what? If this thing keep happening down the tribe, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, it will shock you that from January by December, you have earned total of 28.6 million naira. That means you started with 1 profit center. And guess what? This is on 100% success, which means if you start with 3 profit center, the benefit you can earn is 86.8 million naira with that 3 profit center. The same work is what you will do. The same people is what you will connect. You will earn this 100% success. If you start with 7 profit center and connect the same two people, it will shock you. You will earn up to 200,000. No, 200 million naira. The second one is 86 million naira with 3 profit center. Then 7 profit center, 200 million naira. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think that will happen for somebody that started with 15 profit center or 31 profit center? We call this lazy man scenario. Now, hear this. The Diamond Project proper is to run this project. If you run this project continuously, what if you run this project in 12 weeks instead of 12 months? The same income is you earn in a month, in a year, is the same income you will earn in a month. 12 weeks, week 1, you are earning the same income. Week 5, week 6, week 7 to week 12. You are earning with 1 profit center the same amount, 28.6 million naira. If you run it with 3 profit center, 86 million naira. With 7 profit center, 200 million naira. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to pick my advice, I would advise you, if you can start with more than 1, do that so that you don't regret it in the future. A lot of people made this mistake from the beginning. We will tell them start with multiple accounts, and they have the capacity and they refuse to start. If you are not starting with multiple accounts, it simply means that you don't have the capacity. You can run with 1 account. But if you have the capacity, I advise you to start with multiple accounts. Ladies and gentlemen, the part I want to talk about now is this. As I round up, you know what? Let me shock you people. I started with 1. If you start with 1 account, 28.6 million naira, 50% success of it is 14 million naira. That means half did not do. Then 20% success of it, 5.7 million naira. If you fail 10% success, you still fail in 2.8 million naira. In any way you start this project, you don't have anything to lose for plugging into this project. Ladies and gentlemen, the part we are going to talk about now is very, very sensitive. I want to talk about another important thing. Another thing I want to talk about now is what? Logging into my digital tracking center. So I hope you are ready. Now, let me show you people how to log into your digital tracking center. Now, follow me carefully. If you want to log into your digital tracking center, simply type this thing on the screen, ec5.empoweredconsumerism.com. Let me show you people carefully. Let me try and know what I will do it practically. ec5.empoweredconsumerism.com. That is it. Okay, it has popped out. Now, at this juncture, you just put your username. Now, take note, your username and password will come out in less than 5 to 7 working days. It will come out. Now, I just logged into the account. As you can see, the money that was there is not much. It's just 4.3 million naira that is just in the account. Now, that is it. As you can see it, let me try and enlarge it so that most of you here can see it clearer. That is the digital tracking center. Now, if you want to see all your accounts dropping, you go here and click here. You can see all your accounts dropping. If you check here, you are seeing different accounts here. As you can see the first account is 1.42 million naira. The second one is 328,000. The third one is 101.4 million naira. The fourth account I've not yet built it. The fifth account, 411. The sixth account, 52,000. The seventh account. You can still scroll down and see other accounts, as you can see here, all other accounts. So I can't be telling you to do multiple accounts, 31 accounts, and I didn't do it. So your leaders that have seen the vision, they upgraded their account. So one account is that one account. It can be 49,990 or 79,990. But if you start with one, you only see one ID, as you can see here on the screen. That is it. Now, if you want to see the details of your account, they say, if you check this account details, let me show you. You can see where 1.4 million naira is in the first account, but total of everything is what is showing here. Now, if you want to take this money, 1.4 million naira, if you check, it's already in the current. If you want to take another account, you click browse. You can take another money from the next account, but let me take the one in the first account. Let me show you how it happens. Just go down here and click encashment. Ever say encashment? When you click encashment, it will direct you to where you will not go and click encash now. When you click encash now, they will tell you enter the amount. You will now write the amount in the money account you are encashing. Let's say I'm encashing 1.4 million naira. And then you will click encash. Please make sure you don't put comma when you are trying to encash. Don't put comma. Then they will ask you encashment type. Please put it in bank. Don't put it in check. Put it in bank. And then you click encash. It will tell you this encashment will be using below details. Now, you can see my account number show you. So once you click proceed, I don't want to encash. Once I click it now, bam, I have moved the money. And any money you move, it will reflect here. You can see all the money I've been encashing. You can see here I encash what? 2 million naira. In fact, presently, the company made it, you can't encash more than 2 million naira per day. So even the money you are making, you can't encash more than 2 million naira per day. Minimum you can encash is like 6,500. So when you encash money, guess what happened? The company will deduct their VAT. So when the VAT was deducted, normal VAT value, this is what is remaining, 1.899. 2 million encashed, 1.899. That was what was credited in my account. That is it. This is how it looks like. There, you can see other encashment I've been doing in just that one account. As you can see, so many encashment in one account. And remember, I don't have only one account. So which means I have my encashment details in my second account, third account, fourth account, fifth account, till 10th account, 15th account. So that's why we advise you, if you have the capital, upgrade your account immediately. In fact, it's best thing for you. Then if you want to see the money you are making daily, you will now click what? Transaction. Remember, say transaction. Now, when you click transaction, it will drop your daily earnings. Look at this. The transaction has dropped. Can you people see the month? You can see the matching 7,000, 7,000. I don't know whether you people can see it. I can. Let me enlarge it a bit. Can be seen that 7,000. Let me enlarge it a bit so most of you here can appreciate it. 7,000, 7,000. All these things we are showing you, you can be making 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. Is just everywhere there. Look at it here on the screen. 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the business you are into. Daily, you are making income every day. Now, there's a level you will grow in the business. They will reduce your money, but I don't want to talk about that. As you grow in the business, you will know more. There are so many things you will learn. We have other ways of earning in this business, which is unilevel, step, UPP, rebate. But as you grow in the business, we will teach you that. As you keep growing, that is why it is important that you start growing.